The Snow Bowl of the 1958 NFL Championship between the Giants and Colts rewired how teams think about weather and strategy. Blizzard conditions blanketed the field, yet the Colts leaned on relentless running and careful ball control to edge out victory. Televised nationwide, the game captivated millions and helped grow football as a year-round spectacle, boosting attendance and TV interest. Historians credit this weather clash with spurring equipment tweaks and coaching ideas suited to cold climates, while players recall intense focus. The lesson endures that facing hardship often reveals core values and drives lasting changes in the league's playbook.